Hi.
Hi.
चलिए
Hi,
ऐश्वर्या
and I'm a fashion communication student.
Hi, my name is Khush Kakkar and I'm a fashion design student.
Hi, my name is Nehal and I'm a fashion communication student.
Hi, my name is Nandini and I'm a fashion communication student.
Hi, my name is Yovna and I am an accessory design student.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
And we are here to talk about
Graduating this year, I think. Yes.
Is that still
Yes.
happening?
Which is not gonna happen.
hopefully.
Let's talk about our feelings, I think.
I think we've all accepted the fact that things are not going to get any better, like normal, any sooner.
At this point, when we're about to graduate and something like this is happening, is I think the most frustrating part because this is a transitional period for all of us.
I don't feel productive at all. I don't
At
feel
all.
inspired. I don't feel motivated. And I feel guilty for not using that time. You don't have a plan. Like, I don't have a plan. Okay, fine. By June, I'll do this. By July, I'll get into this. I don't have that. So that thing is killing me. Because
Join the
I don't
club,
even have a
join
plan.
the club.
It's just weird, like sometimes you feel productive and the other times you don't. And whenever I feel productive, it's not about my project anymore, it's about something else, like either doing
Huh.
some painting or line sketch or gardening or
Yeah.
something else. But
I think we all are doing things to keep ourselves engaged. Like many of us may be gardening, maybe we are baking or we are painting, we're illustrating. So it's good to keep ourselves. It's very important to have that touch with your creative side. Otherwise, all is
Yeah.
lost. You really have to keep that thing alive in you.
because we're all in this together, I think it's easier because this is not just something that I am going through.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
like,
know
I'm not the only one.
every person out there is going through something, is losing something. As far as my future is concerned, because of like I read articles about all these industries and all these labels getting bankrupt, and all the options I used to have when I was studying. So I really do not have like a proper plan, but yeah, I'm just waiting for everything to get a little better, and like for the industry to get a little better so that I can seek a future.
like the college has cancelled our recruitment process and everything. So like, to be honest, even I don't have any idea like what's gonna happen with the future anymore. Like, so uncertain. Like,
Sometimes when I'm just trying to fall asleep and I think that I was supposed to be a working earning individual independent हो जाना चाहिए था और अब ऐसे लग रहा है that I don't even know if we are going to get hired because
yeah,
Exactly, yeah.
because Khush mentioned previously in the group text session that we're going to we'll be entering the worst job market in a century or so.
because
My
our parents are concerned for us because it was our decision to enter into the fashion industry. Like they didn't force us to go into fashion instead of like leaving engineering or becoming a doctor. Like fashion industry is a passion based industry, and like they warned us about it before, like
yeah
we might not get jobs or something like that.
our field might take a hit from this pandemic is because fashion is not generally viewed as a necessity. So that is another sword that's dangling. Important to have a job and it's important to have a normal life, but given the situation that is outside, some people have it much worse. So like I think that okay, we had some big plans for ourselves, we had our hopes, we had dreams. It has all come to a halt, but like you guys already mentioned, ki it's the same for everyone. So that has taken some stress away. So
Yeah, the fact that we all are sailing in the same boat, it just eases something inside, like,
it has some strange comfort in it that
yes.
I know we
Yeah, that
should be worried
shouldn't be
about,
there. Yeah,
but we are not
exactly.
like, it's like the duality of this whole lockdown is that is what is actually that's killing us, that we don't, it's taking a major toll on our mental health. हमें नहीं पता चल रहा है कि अभी का टाइम हमें रेस्ट करना चाहिए, फिर कभी नहीं मिलेगा, और we don't know whether ये टाइम हमारे हाथ से छीना जा रहा है, that this is the time that we should have been, we should be working, we should be building our portfolios, or we should be job hunting. It's all, both the sides are so polar apart.
I think that the situation after the pandemic is going to be like we've just graduated, so we're like new in the industry. So I think it's just gonna end up being like we will be the new interns where we have a degree and still we're putting in our own money for experience and exposure, just so that we don't have that gap in our resume, that what were you doing at
Yeah.
this point, at this period of time.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day it's very deeply imbibed in the psyche कि I love doing this thing, ये तो मैं शायद free में भी, like just for the love of it I'm
Exactly.
doing
Still
it, मुझे करने ही
pursuing
मिल रहा है, इतनी अच्छी बात है. So
it. Exactly.
So like when I started working with them, like sometimes they paid, sometimes they didn't, but like what they did was like without fail they provided me all 3 meals of the day. And I think that is the least that you can, and they do that for everybody that is working for them. So I
these
think
they
that is,
can do.
yeah, that is like the least that you can do for anybody. If you're getting
Yeah.
free work out of somebody, and if you're not even providing them with money or transportation or whatever. So I think
Yeah,
these are
Yeah.
just like the little things that people need to keep in mind, that I think like it's just like an exchange of energies, like you taking all of our energy, and what sort of energy are you paying it back with?
At the end of this, we're gonna like evolve as a species altogether, where we start to appreciate the things that we didn't in the past. Like now, so many people
yeah.
have started to become, environmentally conscious because they do see what humans have done to the environment. With more and more news updates.
But for me, like before all of this started, I was thinking of starting my own sustainable fashion brand. Realizing before the coronavirus hit that it is a very very important part, um, for the environment especially. And I think it just helped people realize after coronavirus how important it is. And I think once things go back to normal, I think it's gonna boom, and it's, I think, gonna be the center of the industry. Simply because of the fact that people have started to realize how the impact of like how it impacts the environment, and how much the cost of a garment is. If you're buying it for so cheap, does not mean that it is cheap. It means that other people are paying for it in some way, or the environment is paying for it in some way. I think all of us have done a great job even incorporating that, in all of our shoots, by wearing something which is thrifted, or by wearing something which is
Thrifted.
upcycled, or
Exactly.
basically anything
Yeah.
that gives to the circular economy, where you're using and reusing thing instead of sending them to the landfills.
Because the older ways by which the garments were being made, the cotton which was being processed, like it was not sustainable at all. Like I recently did a denim project, and I realized that to make a denim jeans and a jacket, it requires a lot of water and
Water.
bleach, which is practically very harmful for the environment
Harmful.
and the soil.
I think we
Right
need to
now,
shift from the entire fast fashion thingy and just shift to upcycling and more better
Yeah.
prospects. Or wearing things from our parents' closet.
That's me a lot of the
Yeah.
time. Yes.
That's what I do all
Completely.
the time. Like I either wear my brother's clothes or my dad's clothes.
And also मुझे एक चीज और समझ में आया that how important localization is, like products that are made locally for the people.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जितना अभी कोरोना की वजह से the longer the supply chain was, the more the industry suffered. जिसका supply chain जितना लंबा था. So I think that after this whole lockdown situation is over, people might just consider producing things locally.
Yeah.
Like
Slow
how
fashion is the future.
Yeah.
I have a feeling like post pandemic, the post pandemic industry is going to be a lot more empathetic, and because since like we said, we're all going through the same thing, and I think a lot of things are going to change now, and they might change for good. Like people that they've already started understanding the value of working from home and how much better it is than coming to the office, paying for conveyance, and giving away so much energy, and how work from home is sometimes equally efficient. I think this is God forcing us to be more and more conscious, not just for the show of it, not just for that tokenism.
Bye,
It was
guys.
so nice
It
to
is
talk.
lovely
Bye.
talking to you.
Yes, was lovely.